Hey guys, what's up, Actions here and welcome back to this brand new video. Now today it is Thursday and we're not going to go testing or karting or whatever. Today is just a day of normal going to work. I actually still have to finish the vlog of the race weekend, which is kind of difficult for me because I really hate the weekend and I hate thinking about it, so yeah, it's a bit difficult. Also, I haven't even recorded the outro yet, so that's interesting. I have to edit it and then record the outro. I also need to order some new kart parts because, well, my rear axle and some of the rear bearings that I have are gone. So I need to order those. Also, I've got something very interesting coming in with the mail today, which is very useful for the channel, let's say that. And then, yeah, we'll see what else I'm going to do today. But first, I have to bike to my work. This is my wagon for today. Alright guys, we have arrived. And, well, I know it looks a bit messy, but I promise you guys, it's controlled chaos. I promise, okay? Breakfast life hack. If, like me, you're one of those people who really can't eat something in the morning, do this. Grab yourself a banana, grab yourself a bowl, cut up the banana and put it into the bowl. Then take some yogurt or something and add it into the bowl with the bananas. And then to add a little bit of sweetness, take a little bit of Nutella, like this, and just add it in here. Now mix it up. And that is how you get a decently healthy, protein-rich breakfast. Cheers. Alright people, that was delicious, and well, now it's time to start editing for the vlog of last race weekend. I really don't want to do this. I don't like it. Well, let's just get it over with then, because after that we have to do some nice things for the car. I actually have to order some new parts, so that's fun, and also I will receive a very nice package which all of you will enjoy, I'm sure. So, let's do this. Alrighty people, I just had lunch break, it was really nice. Oh, well, that of course means that it's the day's about halfway done. So that's also time to walk our dog. If you've seen some other videos, you probably know him. His name is Brutus. He is a dog de Bordeaux, about 1 year old. And he absolutely loves playing with these tennis balls. So go catch. Come on. Oh, that was a epic fail. But yeah, I'm about halfway done editing the video now of last race weekend, and well, it wasn't really that bad. It was just a mental hurdle of starting it for some reason that I had. So when that's done, I'll of course upload it, set it as a premiere. So well, if you're watching this or in the future, of course you will have known that it was a premiere. After that, I'm maybe going to clean up the workshop a little bit, order the new parts because I have to order quite some new stuff. And also we got a package which we're going to unbox after I'm done walking with our little doggy there. Hey Brutus, hey mannetje. Hey, je bent braaf hè? Ja. Good dog, good dog. Alright people, I told you guys I got a nice package to unbox, right? Well, it's right here, let's do it. Why do I get the feeling this channel is slowly turning into an unboxing channel? I mean, by all means, Apple, if you want me to unbox a newest iPhone, hit me up. But yeah, we've got quite a lot of new things recently, so that's always cool, of course. This thing is really interestingly packaged. Like this, maybe? Yeah, maybe. Maybe not, god damn it. Alright guys, let's see what's inside, let's see. Well, of course, nice foam, they always look like Cheetos. Well, here is a small box inside of the box, let's see what this is. Alright, small box. Let's see what this is. It's not wrapped in paper as you can see, but let's slowly unbox this thing. Yes guys, I have bought a helmet camera, so we can finally get rid of the GoPro mount that's on front of my helmet. But yeah, this is going to be cool, let's see. Let's take a look inside this little box over here. So it actually took really long to arrive, and I believe that's because this thing is actually produced per order, so they don't mass produce this. Oh my god, look at how nice this is packaged. Look, you take it out, this is the camera itself, let's put that aside for now. And then you can see here, designed by Cambox. It looks really cool. First we have a little booklet, I think. Ah, they do it like this. The user manual is just a QR code, so go scan it if you want. I'm definitely going to check this out in a little while. Here's another welcome package. Let's see what this is. Ah, it's a charging cable, I think, because, well, yeah. Alright, nice high quality charging cable. Looks good. Let's take a look at the camera itself. Let's flip this open. One of these things to mount it underneath the visor. I will show you where to mount it in just a second. Here we have a cloth to clean the lens, I think. And here's a little bag to keep it in. But I've got something for that as well. The meat and potatoes of this video. The camera itself. Let's see if I can remove it without dropping it immediately. Which would be nice, of course. Ah yes, here we go. Good, okay. Well, this is it. And like I said, this goes underneath your visor, so let me get my helmet. Alright, so first of course I'm going to test it out with my old helmet. So yeah, the way you do it is, I think you just grab one of these things, which is this sticky tape. You put it under here, just inside your helmet like this. Just stick it in here. And then of course, because this is sticky tape, or I still don't know what it's called. It will stick to the camera. And then it's in your helmet like this, in here. So that's going to be interesting. And also, what I have noticed is that this thing is actually flexible, so you can flex it a little bit like this, but I think that's also due to the stabilization, so that's interesting. And let's see what else we got in the package. So in here we got a nice little case, so that we can keep all of our accessories in here, like SD cards, extra mounts, protective gear, everything. We can just keep it in here, which is always very nice to have, of course. So, for example, we put this pin to open the SD card slot. There you go, it's now safely kept in here, and of course here we can keep some extra SD cards. So that's good, let's close this for now. And of course, I also bought one extra of these things, because we of course have 2 helmets. This is getting out of hand, now there are 3 of them. Something else maybe? No, that was it. Alright, let's clean up this mess a little bit. Alright guys, so that's cool, right? That's really cool. Before we do anything, let's check out the user manual. So, phone, QR code, let's scan it. Boop. Let's see. Why does my internet not work? Out of all times, why does it not work right now? Come on, man. And yep, as you can see, just a regular user's manual. Let's read that and then I will attach it to my first helmet. Okay guys, I have to admit, the English in the user manual is questionable, but it is understandable. I just realized I said that whilst I'm fluent in broken English. Well, about sticking it in the helmet, there aren't really that many instructions. It's really just a case of removing the adhesive tape protector and just sticking it in, so let's do it. So, remove the adhesive paper. Oh my god, this adhesive is next level. Oh my god man, this adhesive is something else. Which is what you want, of course, you don't want to lose this thing while driving. So let's see if I can kind of center it as well. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can definitely hear it if I run my finger across it. Well, once you have added the Velcro to your helmet, I think it's really just a case of first of all removing the lens cap. And then just sticking it in. And maybe not putting your finger on the lens like I just did. Now let's see if it actually blocks my vision or not. Well, I notice it's there, but it's not really blocking my vision, so that's good. So yeah, that's very interesting. I really want to try this thing out. I really do. One thing I was a little bit concerned about, however, is the visor sticker, because as you can see, the lens is actually in there quite high up. And if you actually close the lid, you can see, of course, that there's a visor sticker here, and that may block a little bit of the view, but we'll see about that. We'll see that when we go out on track. So yeah guys, that was about it for this package. Let's get back to work. It's now time to record the voiceover for the qualifying, pre-final and the final of my race vlog. And I've actually never shown this to you guys. So the way I do it is I have a WhatsApp group chat with only myself in it. Then I post the script in there. Then in the background on my phone I open the sound recorder app and then I just read the script from my WhatsApp. Another life hack from me, make a WhatsApp group with only yourself in it. A really quick way to get text or files from your PC into your phone and backwards and forwards. That's really a life hack for me, for you guys. Anyways, let's record it. So yeah guys, we're now back in the workshop. I just finished recording everything for the vlog. And now it's time to look for what parts we need. I actually know it by heart already, I'll just explain it to you guys. So, the Tony kart. As you can see, this axle, it has a lot of scratches running along like this. And that is because in the beginning I didn't actually take good care of my bearings. I didn't, you know, sand them every now and then. So that's why there are a lot of scratches. And the scratches on here will actually make the damage on the bearings worse. That in turn makes the damage on everything that you put on the axle worse. So yeah, we have to get some new stuff for that, I'm afraid. So yeah, what we need is 2 OTK bearings. We need another, well, this is a standard axle. And because I only have a standard axle and a short standard axle now, I actually have to buy more of them. But luckily for that we have my sponsor K-Racing and we're going to head over to their website right now. Before we get started, K-Racing has a new discount code for all of you. And I'm sure you're gonna like this one because this one is OMP15, which lets you save 15% on all OMP products. The way you use it is really simple. Just fill your basket with any OMP stuff you want, apply the code down there at the bottom and poof, 15% of your money saved. All info is in the pinned comment down below. Anyways, let's do my shopping now. first of all, we need 2 new axles, the standard type N axle and a short type N. To have some more setup varieties, we also get a Q axle, which is softer, and an A axle, which is harder. Furthermore, because I destroyed my bearings as well, we need 2 of those. Then I grabbed some other stuff from the used page, because if you didn't know, K-Racing has a used parts page where you can get some almost new parts for a cheap price. So yeah, start saving money. Shop at K-Racing. And remember the discount code. Alright people, and with that comes the end of this day. Yeah, that was the day at the office for me, just helping out with the business, doing my own things, and yeah, just combining that really. Now guys, I'm super excited to use that new helmet camera, and I'm going to test it out in a couple of weeks I think. You'll see it when it hits the channel. Anyways guys, that was it for this video. Now if you enjoyed it, then please consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons. You guys know that you help me a lot with that. I actually have to hurry up with biking home because yeah, it's going to rain in not that long from now, so that's going to be not nice. Anyways, there will be 2 other videos on screen right here that you might enjoy, but for now, that was it. Peace.